I really like traditions, and it's fun to build them with your children and pass down things that maybe you got from your own parents down to your children. And I don't know, I just think that that's something that families really cherish. I have 2 daughters, and when they were young, we decided to make potato pancakes. So that involves shredding a lot of potatoes and onions, and I think we used yams. And I knew they were good with sour cream, and I had some applesauce, but I thought I probably should throw a vegetable in here. So I sauteed some Brussels sprouts. And my kids were young, and they just thought it was amazing. So every time after that, whenever we made potato pancakes, they're like, "Will we have Brussels sprouts too?" So that's our tradition.